This is my first prototype for Mark Rober's creative engineering course, and this is my Gimme the Paw food dispenser. So this prototype is just to test that the section in here can take a piece of food, and when we twist it, the food can drop out. So that all works, but this showed up that if I was to go with a very simple model that just has a lever on it, and dog puts his paw on the lever and the lever twists, that it won't go down far enough, the section up here, for the food to drop out. So this lever mechanism won't work. Now I could make this work if I was to use gears or something like that, but I decided I wouldn't proceed with this, and I would go on to prototyping my other idea, which is for a ratchet mechanism. So this is the next prototype I came up with for a ratchet mechanism, and this is just a very basic prototype just to see whether or not the mechanism works. So we'll give it a go here. Now it is a bit finicky because the parts aren't very secure, but I can see here that the basic idea works. Now it's getting a little cut, but the basic idea works. So dog puts the paw down and the ratchet wheel moves, and the ratchet would be connected to another wheel on the inside here that will turn around. Food goes in the top, food comes out the side, and the dog is happy that it's gotten its treat. Alright, and that would all work by dog putting its paw on this mechanism up here, and then a spring bringing it back. So, alright, so dog puts paw on, ratchet moves, spring brings it back, paw on, spring brings it back. This is a very basic prototype, which only works half the time. So some of the goals for the final build would be to make this, firstly to make it a good bit bigger, right? So I want to scale this up, and then it will also be to secure these arms a little bit better. So my thoughts on that are to scale the whole section here that contains the ratchet and the arms up, so that everything can rest on a single plane, and it's not out here in free air where it can move around and it can go side to side and up and down and in and out and every which way. So that's all I have at the moment, and I'm looking forward to getting a final build out shortly.